Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to check Coinbase limits. Understanding your transaction limits is crucial for managing your cryptocurrency activities effectively. The most direct way to find this information is by logging into your Coinbase account. Once logged in, whether on the website or through the mobile app, you will navigate to your settings. This section provides a clear overview of your current buying, selling, and withdrawal limits, ensuring you always know your transaction capabilities. Your Coinbase limits are not static. They are dynamically determined by several key factors. Firstly, your verification level is paramount. Fully verified accounts generally enjoy much higher limits. Secondly, the payment method you choose makes a difference. For instance, bank transfers often allow for larger transactions than debit card purchases. Lastly, your account's history and consistent activity can also contribute to how your limits are set and potentially adjusted over time. Let's look at some typical Coinbase limits you might encounter. For verified users, daily buy limits can be as high as $25,000. If you are using a debit card, your daily purchase limit is generally between $1,000 and $3,000. For those with a Coinbase card, the daily ATM withdrawal limit is usually $1,000, while overall daily spending can reach $10,000. Standard daily withdrawal limits for most users are around $50,000. If you find your current limits restrictive, there are ways to increase them. The most important step is to complete all identity verification levels, as this significantly boosts your account's capabilities. Maintaining a good account history with consistent, legitimate activity can also help. For very large transactions, consider using wire transfers, which often come with much higher or even unlimited deposit caps. If you meet these criteria, you can also apply for a limit increase directly through your account settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.